So hi. Oh, okay. So hi. This thing is... What's this thing? How do you call this thing?
It's a plastic pipe welder.
Yeah,
Or a plastic pipe welding machine.
Plastic pipe welding machine. You know what? This was not supposed to be the video. And in this video you will not get a review of this. But instead, my friend will read you the manual. So, Nikola, go.
This is one beautiful piece of literature. It even got folded the wrong way prior to shipping. It's the user's manual welding machine for plastic pipe, not to be confused with the welding machine for metal pipes. Instructions: the machine in used for the connecting of plastic pipe such as PP-R and PE. We have the following series, and then there's all the wattages. 4 different diameters, this is all written correctly. The machine controls temperature exactly, easy and safe to...
Taus?
Taus.
Taus.
Safe Taus.
Safe Taus.
Number 1, technological data. Surface temperature of matrix 120 to 380 degrees. Temperature rising time, below 15 minutes. Power 800 to 1000 watts, depends on the specific product. Wonder what happened to the 600 and the 1500 watts. 110 volts, 220 volts, depends on the specific product. Frequency 50 to 60 hertz. This is nothing interesting. Here we go. Using. Place the machine on the supporting board well. Don't you dare putting it badly. Install corresponding matrices according to specifications needed. Tight matrices with wrench. Smaller sizes in front generally. Not always, but generally. Yeah. Turn on power. Caution, power supply must be Etherhead. Green indicate or shows the machine is hearing.
Hello.
I don't know if it hears us. Hi. Hello world. Well, fuck. Red indicator shows the machine has stopped heading. Ooh, where? Where are you heading? And it is time for work. It's working time. Cut the pipe. Full stop. Push the pipe or into matrix for some time. See the table. Pull them out rapidly. Better hope your pull-out game is good. And then insert, not screw, to the depth needed steadily. Wonder what happens if we screw it to the depth needed steadily. Or very fastly screw it in. Anyway, these are the specifications.
Show the cooking time.
Yeah, it's got heating time, specification, millimeters, melting depth, millimeters, and cooking time.
Heating times.
Heating times and cooking times. I believe that's seconds, but it could be times.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Now we're cooking. However, if it is under 5 degrees Celsius, 50% more heating time is needed. So, gotta wait for summer, I guess. 3. Caution. Please check the outer cover and cables of the machine first. Don't use it if it is damaged. Oh my god, this is correct.
Yeah, okay.
The power supply must be earhead.
Earhead. By the way, it has to be like
earhead.
Earhead, because no earth is found, so earhead.
Wonder where we're going to earhead this. Water and various kinds of liquid. That's now we got a new material rising.
Liquid.
Yeah, it's a completely different phase. There's steam. There's liquids. There's solids.
Yeah.
Now we have a liquid.
Liquid.
I guess that's something that's runny, but it also clicks or something.
I guess.
Well, various kinds of liquid is prevented from entering the machine. It is prohibited to us outside on rainy days. So when you're out of money and you're us, don't use it. If you're anybody else but us, feel free to use it even if you're broke. Keep Tinder far away, but do only. Maybe Grindr.
Tinder, Grindr.
Maybe Grindr. Yeah. Grindr's fine, but Tinder? Hell no.
Hell no.
Operators are strongly suggested to wear gloves when working. Well, in general, I guess. Yeah. Strongly suggested. For the safety and good performance of the device, only professionals are all owed to open the machine or adjust temperature. So I guess...
If you're not professional, no change in temperature.
Yeah.
No change.
They're owed that you owe me $5. I'm pro.
Okay.
Whatever the
No
pro sets the temperature
No change,
to,
no touch.
no change, no touch. And you owe me $5. If indicators don't change for long, it means the device is in normal working state. In normal, not to be confused with abnormal or
Just
other
normal.
than normal. Just normal.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is in normal. It's a completely different state. Stop your work. Not a capital letter. Stop your work and turn off the power immediately.
Okay, that's actually
Yeah.
written fine.
Turn the machine to manufacturer of professionals for repair when it is out of work. So, if this machine gets fired,
Yeah.
you turn it in the direction of the manufacturer of professionals. Do you know companies
That's
that...
like manufacturer of professionals is like those guys that produce professionals, right?
Exactly, yeah. So that would be schools, I guess. Manufacturers of professionals. Definitely schools. So we gotta turn this machine towards the nearest school when it gets fired. I mean, that makes sense. I can understand how that makes sense.
By the way, this was Nikola, so if you liked his performance, thumbs up would be nice. If you did not, you know what to do. And
For me, it's a love-hate thing.
yeah, this is
It's an interesting piece
There's
of...
like a warning: high temperature when using, burn
burn
care.
care. Care to burn?
QA inspector 28.
28, number 28. So I
Quality
guess-
quality inspection. So I mean, burn care, yeah.
Even the plastic looks earhead.
Earhead. Yeah,
Time to find some professionals.
I mean, regarding this thing, it gets hot. I think it gets the job done. So, yeah.
Well, it will probably cook.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. And thanks for having me on.
Until the next time.